In our online session last week, there were a number of points that I wanted to make, but I was unable to make. And so I'm making this short video for you to hear those points and to really understand them. And if you recall, we were talking about typography last week. And typography is a discipline. It's one of the disciplines of design. I would include illustration, layout, color, shape and form for package design, along with typography as kind of the fundamentals of what a designer needs to know. Of course, any one of these areas can take years to master. It's not easy mastering anything. It's been said that mastery takes between 5 and 10,000 hours to accomplish. And if you think about the work year as about 2,000 hours, you're looking at something from an associate's degree to a full 4-year college degree, studying a single topic or a single discipline to really master it. So mastery isn't something that comes fast. It does take time, and it does take a lot of really hard work to accomplish. So I wanted to talk a little bit, like any discipline, type has conventions. And I've got a number of links for you to interesting sites that talk about type. One of the probably the easiest ones is an easy one to remember, and it's called ilovetypography.com. And this is a blog that's written about the delight in type. And I think that you'll find, if you go to it, you'll find it as a very inspiring and bringing in a wide range of a real diversity of what's out there in type. There's a blog about 5 simple steps to better typography, and I will post a link to that with the week's notes, with the week with the week 3 notes, the typography notes. There's another site called typeneu, neu.com, typeneu.com, and this is a site looking at new uses of typography, and it is a visual smorgasbord. It's got all kinds of really interesting examples and places to click through and really see typography kind of all in its entire glory. Smashing Magazine has an entry called Examples of Sexy, Bold, and Experimental Typography. I'll post the link to that as well. It's too long to kind of just read out. And then I talked a little bit and took you through the site of David Carson Design. That's the website, the URL, davidcarsondesign.com. And David Carson is kind of a bad boy of design, but he is he's certainly on his own page, he is one of the world's experts at typography. And he doesn't use it conventionally. He creates brand new typewritten pieces whenever he works with it. But he doesn't do it because he's casual. He does it because he's extremely disciplined. If you look through David Carson Design, you'll see that he works through his ideas 4, 5, 6, 10 times before arriving at a final. You can see some examples of just how many phases he goes through. And he does not only posters and very big, very graphic images, but he does books, he does magazine pages, lots and lots of thinking about design. I'm also going to post a link to David Carson's talk at TED, which is an annual conference on technology, entertainment, and design. He gave a talk, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, and it was delightful to just kind of hear him in his own words and kind of see what his examples were. I'm looking forward to talking with you this week, and that's it for now. Thanks.